I'm really excited about the concept of technology as a tool. If you look at the human condition and the human effort over the millennia of our existence, a big part of the human spirit is this idea of building tools and using tools to empower ourselves to make our life and our conditions better.
And they're taking things that they've learned in science and things that they've learned in math and kind of using those concepts and applying them to these real-life problem situations.
Learning that they get from our club is basically based on the Legos robotics. Most kids come into the club knowing how to use Legos, and it just lets them be organized as a group. The main thing that they really learn is working as a team and doing a lot of cooperative work together.
CSF has provided a lot of funding for our activities. So my whole deal with what we do with engineering is I really want experiential learning. So we can talk theory all we want, but until you actually build something and test it against reality, you can't really get a sense of how it goes.
The skills that are acquired are related to all types of engineering and beyond, but mechanical engineering skills, electrical engineering skills, computer and software engineering skills, business skills.
We've allowed more people to be part of our club through STEAM funding. Next year we're branching to add a second group to our robotics club, so through STEAM funding we're adding the second group, and it just allows us to have the mobility to have more robots and have the kids doing hands-on work more often.
Our favorite project is building a robot, and it took a lot of work, but we had to put in some ideas for the missions we had to do.
What I love most about engineering class would probably be just being able to work with friends on complex hands-on projects, whether it be building a bridge out of popsicle sticks or building a flying car for a competition in Balboa Park.
I like working on projects with my friends and being able to see the things that we can do when we help each other.
My STEAM dream is to build a UAV drone in this class.
My STEAM dream is for each of us to use an iPad so we can research for our research part of robotics.
My STEAM dream would be for students in, I would say probably 7th grade up through the high school level to have the opportunity at some point during the year in a technology class or an engineering class to build a sea perch.
My STEAM dream is to just do more projects like this, working with friends, learning new skills, and doing something that could help me in the future.
My STEAM dream for the engineering class would probably be for two things: more materials and for a new class space.
My STEAM dream is to do more projects like this one where I learn more technical skills such as soldering and learning about circuit boards, because that was really interesting to me.